I have soybean about 100 grams. I am going to make a flat bread, or you can even make cake or bread with these ones. So first thing is I have to soak them. But to soak them quickly, what I do is I will use a thermos flask or sort of insulated flask and put all that into that. It is little bit hard because mouth is little bit smaller, but I can do it. Yeah, okay. And do it slowly, slowly. Then pour hot water in it. I will pour hot water and then so in 2 hours it is soaked very well. It is almost like cooking, but you need to cook it little bit again. I will use a spoon and put it everything. So it is a quick way to soak your soybean or any other bean, because most of the beans you need to soak it little bit to cook it quickly. Thanks very much.